Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, then find and pick settings. Now scroll down a bit, and here under video you can change the rear video size and also front video size. Smoothly click here to change the first one, tap on the resolution, and here you can pick between those modes. And then you can do the same thing for front camera. Just click on resolution and then you can change it. You can also activate high efficiency video by tapping on the switcher. And now it's active. So this is it. This is how you can change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy A30s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.